It was a perfect afternoon on the vibrant green grass. William gripped his favorite bright red ball, pushing it forward with a burst of energy. He laughed loudly, his small feet pattering as he chased the rolling sphere across the lawn.
Everything was full of light and joy. Suddenly, he stopped, his attention shifting to his loyal dog, Chewy. For just a brief second, William turned his head away, distracted by his furry friend, unaware that the red ball was slowly rolling further and further away until it stopped right behind Chewy. William turned back, ready to resume the game, but his jaw dropped. The space was completely empty. Where did it go? He wondered, gasping as he grabbed his head in pure disbelief. He looked to the left, then scanned to the right, his eyes wide with confusion. A playful slide whistle echoed through the air, punctuating his bewilderment. He couldn't understand how something so bright could simply vanish into thin air, while his back was turned for only a moment.
He waved Chewy over, calling for backup. "Help me find it, buddy!" Chewy wagged his tail and jumped into action.
Though he wasn't exactly a master detective, the dog peered under a tiny leaf that couldn't hide a marble, then began sniffing a random pile of dirt with great intensity. The irony was thick, as the red ball sat perfectly still, clearly visible in the background right behind Chewy's tail. A sneaky, tiptoe melody played as the two investigators sat back to back, scratching their heads in total defeat. They looked at the camera and shrugged, completely stumped. Just as they were about to give up, a shimmering stream of bubbles floated into the frame, dancing on the breeze. The spheres drifted lazily toward the hidden red ball, bouncing softly off its surface. William and Chewy followed the bubbles with their eyes,
tracking the movement downward until their gaze landed on the grass. There it was. Both of them gasped with giant, wide-eyed excitement as a triumphant trumpet chime signaled their victory. William lunged forward and grabbed his prize, holding the red ball high above his head like a golden trophy. Overcome with joy, William fell backward into the grass, giggling uncontrollably. Chewy bounced in happy circles around him as more bubbles filled the sky. They waved a final goodbye to the camera before William rolled the ball straight at the lens. The red color grew until the world went dark, accompanied by the warm sound of cheering and clapping.